Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Devansh. How was your paper, Devansh? How was your exam? Science exam, beta?
Ma'am, good.
Good, very nice. I think we should wait for others to join. So many were still giving the paper only. Okay, children, both of you, since both of you are here, the last thing that we did was the key points of the chapter, of chapter 12, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You both have completed all the key points?
Yes.
I think there were total 17 or 18 key points, right? Yes, Devanshan, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am. There is 18 key points.
18 key points. Okay, we have done those 18 key points. Now let's open up our books to page number 79. Tomorrow, which exam do you have?
Ma'am, Hindi.
Hindi, all right. Open up your books to page number 79.
Ma'am, open.
Open, both of you, Dhruv. Okay, I think Dhruv is not there. Okay, what we'll do, we are going to start.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, have you opened your book to page number 79?
Ma'am, 1 second.
The first exercise given is tick the correct answers and fill in the blanks. Read out the first one,
Yes, ma'am.
Devansh. Read out the first one.
Rhododendron trees are common in dash Uttarakhand, Rajasthan.
So what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Rhododendron trees are common in Uttarakhand. Okay, children have started joining now. Beta, open your books to page number 79.
Ma'am, can I read second one?
Yes, read out the second one.
Dash is a local tea of Jammu and Kashmir. Kewa iced. And the answer is Kewa.
Kewa. Kewa is the local tea of Jammu and Kashmir. Very good. Dhruv, you will read out the third one, beta.
Ma'am, which page number?
Beta 79.
What is the
page
answer of
number
second one?
79 page number, Dhruv. The answer of second one is Kehwa. It is not iced tea. It is Kehwa, which is a local tea of Jammu and Kashmir.
Ma'am, what is it? Curine?
Kinori. It's Kinori.
Kinori language is spoken in Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh or Srinagar? Where it is spoken? In Mori.
Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh. Is that correct, children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is
ma'am.
Himachal Pradesh. Very good. Sarthak Agarwal. Dhruv, beta, mute yourself. Sarthak, beta, read out the next one.
Ma'am, 1 second, I am opening the page because of my late. Ma'am, where are we reading?
Beta, 79 page, fourth one. A exercise, fourth sentence. Acha, you have old book, right? Sarthak, your book is old?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is second one?
तो chapter 12 वो खोलो, the northern mountains वाला chapter खोलो बेटा. I think in that book it is chapter
I'm
14. Chapter 14.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? अब
Yes,
उसमें
ma'am.
उसमें जो first exercise है, I don't know if the exercises are same or not. What is the first?
Ma'am, it is fill in the blanks is the correct option.
Acha, read out the fourth one.
Dash, the capital of Uttarakhand is dash, Srinagar or Dehradun.
Okay, tell what is the capital?
Ma'am,
No,
Dehradun.
this is not the
Dehradun. Okay.
my
fine.
book.
Yes, beta. In our books, it is different. Now, who will read the fourth one? Yashraj Mahajan, are you there?
Ma'am, please tell. Ma'am, second one.
Second का answer है बेटा कहवा. Which is the local tea of Jammu and Kashmir? It is कहवा. It is not iced tea. Everybody open your camera. Zoya, Araf, all of you. Okay. Who will read the next one? Araf, will you read?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, Zoya, till then you read out the fourth one, beta. Zoya Fatima.
Can I read? Nathula. Nathula Pass is located at dash, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh. My answer is Ladakh.
Very nice. Nathula Pass is located in Ladakh. Very good. Next, Yashraj, read out the first fill in the blank of exercise B.
Okay, ma'am. The people of Kashmir wear a traditional dress called.
Tell what is the dress called? Who will tell the answer? No one knows the traditional dress of Kashmir? Firan. P-H-I-R-A-N. Firan. Write it down. The people of Kashmir wear a traditional dress called Firan. Next. Dhruv, read out the next one.
Dash is the source of river Ganga.
Yes, what is the source of river Ganga? Okay, Sarthak, tell, you are raising your hand.
Ma'am, the Yamunotri glaciers are the source of the river Ganga.
Yamunotri Glacier is the source of river Ganga.
Ma'am, I speak Gangotri.
Yes,
Glacier.
Gangotri Glacier is the source of river Ganga. Very good. Okay, next one. Dash is another name for Palash tree. Who will tell? Okay, I'll give you a hint. Read out in the paragraph of Uttarakhand. Hurry up and try to find out the name. In the paragraph, Uttarakhand. Devansh beta, please open your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is not opening. Ma'am, here is, ma'am, your camera is being used by other app. Here is written.
Okay. Chalo, who has found the answer? As soon as you find, just
Ma'am, I
shout the
found
answer. Yes, what is it?
Ma'am, rhododendron.
No, that is not Palash tree. What is another name for Palash tree? Yes, Sarthak, don't raise your hand, just speak the answer.
Ma'am, I think Dak is the answer.
Yes, Dhak. D-H-A-K. Dhak or Palash tree. Very good. Everyone write it down. D-H-A-K. Next one. Dash is the summer capital
Please tell
of...
first one.
Dash is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Who will tell the summer capital? Yes, Zoya will tell.
Ma'am, Srinagar.
Srinagar. Yes, Srinagar is correct
Ma'am,
answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Pratyaksh, what is the correct answer then according to you?
Ma'am, I think it's Ma'am, Srinagar.
So he said, I think it was Srinagar only that was said as the answer. Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Srinagar is
ma'am, I
the...
think it's
What? Pratyaksh, what do you think? Tell.
Ma'am, I think Srinagar.
Yes, Srinagar is the correct answer, which was already given by Zoya, I think. Okay, next. Coming on to the next page, true and false. Everyone,
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Please tell first one.
first one of second exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
The people of Kashmir wear a traditional dress called Firan. Firan. P-H-I-R-N.
P-H-I.
R-A-N.
Ma'am.
Now turn to page number 80. Write true and false for the following.
Can I read?
Okay, now all of you will tell the answer together. Okay. Paper mache is a popular industry of Jammu and Kashmir.
True.
Very,
True.
very good.
True.
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 Dogri is a language spoken in Ladakh.
Ma'am, Ma'am,
False.
false.
Very good. It is false.
Ma'am, what is it? It's the first one.
True. The first one is true.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, this. Ma'am, P-A-P-I-E-R.
Okay, it's papier mâché. It's a French name.
Ma'am, what?
See, it is written in French. Otherwise, the English name is paper mache. In English, we call it paper mache.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of it?
Beta, it is a craft work which is done using newspapers. It is a kind of craft work.
Okay, ma'am.
Then Manali is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Is it? Manali is the capital?
False.
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 False. The Valley of Flowers is located in Uttarakhand.
True.
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 Sure, it's true.
Ma'am, false.
Yes. Where is the Valley of Flowers located?
I'm in Uttarakhand.
Sure, it's Uttarakhand.
Yes, ma'am. And it is written in the last line of the paragraph.
Okay. The Valley of the Valley of Flowers is in Uttarakhand. True.
True.
Now everyone do yes.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry for being late because ma'am, I am doing my paper.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
You tell me that what we are doing.
Ma'am, I don't understand first one.
Which one you didn't understand?
Ma'am, true, false, first one.
Paper mache is a popular industry of Jammu and Kashmir. Beta, paper mache, it is a craft work. Beautiful things are made out of paper mache. So this industry, it is what? It is a famous industry of Jammu and Kashmir, or it belongs to some other place. You have to tell whether it is true or false. So it's true. Paper mache belongs to Jammu and Kashmir.
Ma'am, which exercise we are doing?
Beta, we have done all the exercises. Now we are moving to do question answers. Answer the following in short. Answer the following.
Chapter number 4.
Yes. Answer the following
Yes,
in
ma'am.
brief.
Yes, ma'am, I have also done already.
Very nice. Very good. Take out your copies, all of you. Write down the heading.
Which heading?
Answer the following in brief.
I'm written.
Ma'am, written.
Just a second, beta. I'm just sharing the screen with you.
ये कथा करने नहीं दे रखा है जॉब में.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself, Rishabh.
Sorry.
Start doing, beta.
Ma'am, I have done first one. Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, I want to see the first question.
Ma'am, I have done a third question.
Beta, now we'll wait for others to do. You have done it very fast. You can just underline and highlight your thing. Okay, I'm not going to change the screen now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done all the question answers.
Good, very nice.
And ma'am, detail also.
So you had already done it there, na beta? Online class mein.
Yes, ma'am. May I please scroll down?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you send this on WhatsApp group?
No, beta, you don't have to send it anywhere. Keep it to yourself. When schools will open, I'll check your copies.
No, ma'am, I am asking that. Please send this photo on the WhatsApp group.
Acha, I send it on WhatsApp. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
अम्मा इधर आओ देखो मैं
Beta,
कैसे बैठा हूँ
mute yourself, beta. Arav, mute yourself.
Ma'am, please scroll down. I want to see the question number 3rd. No, ma'am, I am question answer number 2.
Now the screen is adjusted so that you can see question 2 and question 3 together, beta. Now don't say me to scroll up or scroll down.
Ma'am, can I write the question answer in the following? Answer the following in detail.
Beta, we'll do it tomorrow. Answer the following in detail because now no time is left and children have not finished this. Okay, what you will do, you can just be ready by writing the next question. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written in the answer number 3 of Kashmir are?
Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Vular Lake, and many more.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Children done?
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. Very nice. You can move for your next class now because this class is just about to get over.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Time
Bye,
for your
ma'am.
next class. Yes, beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
beta.
ma'am.